Well, hello, hello, hello. All right, so we're back to our Craigslist scraping example, and so far what we've done is we've created a clean price because we had a bunch of these price formatted as text from the internets, and then we also were able to use some formulas mid and search wrapped in an if error to get our model numbers. So there are videos for those. If you haven't seen them, please check them out. Okay, now as we're looking at our data, we're seeing as I scan these prices, I'm like, wait a second, some of these prices look like complete crap. Oh wait, this is a case, it's not a phone. Well, I'm interested in iPhone prices by model. That's what I'm trying to determine. What can I buy a phone for? So this guy's just selling a case, like, okay, that's kind of crappy. So the guy's selling, computer services, cell phone repair, blah, blah, blah. His dollar sign is zero. Then there's stuff like unlocked gold, what is this? Bundle two phones Moto E, $40, or iPhone screen replacement, $40. Some of these prices look like crap. And so what we want to do is we want to use, or where's a good one? I want to find a good one of that. Unlocked iPhone 5S, $50. Like, could be a legitimate advertisement, but probably not, right? Like, if someone's selling a phone for $50, when we're generally seeing prices in the hundreds of dollars, we're going to want to filter that out from our analysis. So, in order to do that, we can use a very simple Boolean expression, and all Boolean expression is something is A equals, is greater than or less than, or doesn't equal B. That's it. It will return true or false. And the reason why we want it to return true or false is just so that we can kind of quickly create a filter for our later analysis. So we don't need to do more than just say return true if it's a good price. And let's just say for this example, not let's just say, as I look at these, it's like, okay, if the price is less than $100, this is probably either not a phone or it's not a legit phone. I'm not interested in it. So the price has to be at least $100. Otherwise, I don't care. So let's create a new column, and we'll call it legit price. And just to denote that this is a formula rather than my kind of raw data, I will highlight it yellow and put the text as black. And now all I'm going to do is I'm going to say equals our clean price greater than 100. And this is saying if the price in this row, if the clean price, which is just taking it from text to a number, is greater than 100, then return true, otherwise return false. And later we'll add a filter to our analysis to say only return values that are true. So boom, it's that easy. Now at the price of 250, it returns true, 800, true, 800, true, 20, false. And this is important. Again, it'll make more sense when we look at the pivot table, but by having a binary, a Boolean, true or false as a filter, it makes it much easier for us to update our analysis when we add new information. So we don't have to go in and say, oh, well, I want to reset this to anything above 100. I can just say it will either be true or false, and I can refresh. But again, that'll make more sense down the road. In the meantime, this is just an easy way of quickly designating whether or not a value meets our criteria. And we don't have to use an if statement. We can use a Boolean expression. We can just say, is this value greater than 100? And if maybe I want to update it and say 100 is actually an acceptable price, so I'll say greater than or equal to 100. You can see works just as well. Excellent. So thanks for watching. We're going to expand on this in the next section by using the AND formula to have multiple Boolean expressions or multiple criteria. Till then, take it easy.